This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the hardware so you can enlarge your visible workspace right away. Connect the external monitor to the laptop using HDMI, USB-C, or DisplayPort. Use a tested adapter if needed. Once connected, power on the monitor and switch its input. You do this first because a stable physical link avoids software confusion later. Make sure your laptop is on AC power to prevent GPU throttling, and keep the laptop lid open so you can see both screens during configuration. Now you move into the system settings to tell the OS how to use the new screen. Open Display Settings, identify which monitor is primary, and drag them to match physical arrangement. This controls cursor flow. Set each display to its native resolution and adjust scale so text looks correct. Higher resolution gives more workspace, but may need 125–150% scaling. Once done, choose Extend to enlarge desktop space. Apply changes and confirm. If text is tiny, increase scaling rather than lowering resolution. Finish by optimizing performance and handling common faults so your enlarged screen stays usable. Open Advanced Display or GPU Control Panel to set refresh rate and color profiles for smoother visuals. Make sure graphics drivers and OS updates are current. Updated drivers often fix detection and scaling bugs. If the monitor shows no signal or flickers, receipt cables, try a different cable or port, and reboot both devices. If issues persist, test the monitor on another device to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.